How to use our insights. First, look at the market direction indicator. This helps us understand whether the market is showing a bullish or bearish indication for the session. Next, note the pivot point range. The pivot level acts as an important decision zone. If the market stays below the pivot, it may indicate bearish movement, and if the price moves above the pivot, bullish momentum may appear. After that, follow the high-low view. This view helps us understand the possible movement range of the market during the session. Then observe the symbols mentioned in our table. Watch how those option symbols move around the pivot, support, and resistance levels. Their movement helps us understand the strength of bullish or bearish momentum in the market. You can also look at the money value shown in the scrolling section, which helps to observe the market activity and reaction strength. Our cubes and Q&A sections are designed to help traders stay disciplined while trading. They encourage traders to follow risk management and maintain a balanced approach in the market. By combining the market direction indicator, pivot levels, high-low view, symbol movement, and other insights, we try to understand how the market is reacting at important levels. This analysis is only for educational and learning purposes and should not be considered financial advice. Please do your own research before taking any trading decisions. And if you find this content helpful, please subscribe to K7S AI Trading Lab for more market insights and learning.